back to Tell Story channel. Today topic is Unity is Strength. Unity is strength defined to accomplish great heights together. It tells us to achieve together what cannot be accomplished by alone. It shows the importance of teamwork in overcoming challenges. We could learn from history that united communities have always been stronger and more resilient. To solve problems effectively, we need diverse skills and ideas provided by Unity. If you find this story is good, then please do like, share, and subscribe 10 Line Story channel to see English and Hindi videos. Let's move to the next point. Unity builds trust among individuals. Unity is the key to strengthening relationships. Even the strongest individuals or groups can fall without unity. Unity builds a great nation when people work together for a common goals. Unity provides strength and courage to convert the impossible to possible. Keep watching Tell Story channels. See you next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.